Nestled in Talegaon's calming landscapes, a peaceful haven near Mumbai and Pune. Far from the madding crowd and stress of the city, you will find serenity and much joy among the animals at the petting farm at Jhapalouppe. It also has an equestrian center where you can learn how to ride a horse. During your visit, you'll be taken for a petting and animal feeding activity and serve you the complimentary meal of the respective slot. A small bucket of animal treats is given to your child, and a member of their trained team escorts multiple groups. All the animals are healthy, vaccinated, and safe to be around with. It's necessary to make a booking in advance. Do check their website for their off days. Regular charges apply on standard operating days, including weekends and public holidays, which is around 990 for children about 10 years and rupees 770 for children around 2 to 10 years. Babies under 2 years are not charged. These prices are subject to change. Again, the details are available on the website. You can get your own food, but the food they provide comes as a part of the package. We went there on a Sunday from Mumbai in the 9:30 a.m. slot. It is a very good option for one-day picnic. Our kids loved it and had a beautiful time petting the animals. There's an option of a 15 to 20 minute horseback ride around the farm led by a handler after the petting too, which is around 600 for about 10 years and rupees 500 for 2 to 10 years. Do give this place a visit and follow us for more. Thank you. Bye.